happy Valentine's Day, or as the case may be, Galentine's Day. So let me explain. I partner with two other channels, The Fabric Patch and with The Yvette Renee. So we all exchange names. So from The Fabric Patch, there is Cindy and Brianna. And from the Yvette Renee's channel, it is Yvette. We decided to exchange names and pick a Galentine. After that, we made an item, and you can check out my video on that, and I'll also link the videos to the other channels below. And then we sent it off, and we each received a Galentine. Mine came from Cindy from the Fabric Patch, and I had Brianna, so you can go back and see what she got from me, or you can check out my video on what I made. I'm so excited to open this. I cannot wait to see what Cindy made for me and all the goodies or whatever she put inside this box. So let's take a peek and see what's inside. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Here we go. Okay, let's look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what is this? Okay, first of all, there's some beautiful here, but there's some candy, love chocolates. Oh, it looks like there's some needles in there. How cute is that? Oh, I love it. Oh, and some of my favorites are in here. Dove and York peppermint patties. Oh, I bet this is the soap that they talk about. Yes, this is from Soap Lake. I hear them talk about this all the time on their channel. Oh, I'm so excited I got some. That's awesome. And then this must be what she made. Oh, there's more under here too. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is this? The way to know life is to love many things. Van Gogh. That's what it says down here. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I love it. Look, there's like rocks on here. It looks like almost like a piece of coral. And then there's a fabric heart, it looks like, and this is gorgeous. This is like steampunk or altered art or something like this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love this little flower. I'll have to do a close-up of that. It's like paper. Oh, this is gonna look beautiful in my sewing room, or actually I have a spare bedroom. It would actually match really well. So maybe it'll go up there, but I don't know. It'll go somewhere special. Love this, and then the soap and the candies, and then there's more. What else is in here? Oh my goodness, so generous. Oh, dark chocolate coffee buzz bar. Oh, hello, I love coffee and I love chocolate. Oh my goodness, look at this pouch. Oh, how pretty. It's like a clutch, and it has your ID here. This is so pretty. It's a batik. It's a wristlet. I love this. Oh, I love the little charm. What a wonderful Galentine's Day. Gifts, many things. Oh my goodness. This is so sweet and so wonderful. Oh my goodness. This is so much fun, you guys. I hope you can really appreciate the beauty of this. I will make sure that there is a close-up of many of the elements on here. This is so pretty. I love these. These rocks are so neat. And this one almost looks like it's a heart or something. I love that. I love that. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. Oh my goodness, all these incredible, wonderful items. Thank you so much, Cindy. Thank you for inviting me to this wonderful event. I can't even express how grateful I am to everyone involved in this. And I just wanted to talk just a minute, let me put this over here nicely, about this soap. It is so cool. It smells amazing, and it's made by Naturally Soap Lake. It says it's made of healing properties from the water minerals and mud of Soap Lake. So check out their channel, because I do know they talk about this, and I believe they sell this in their shop. I'm not sure, I think online too, but check that out because it's a really great handmade item. It supports local artisans, and oh, I can't wait to use it. It smells so nice. All of it. I also can't wait to dig into the candy and to hang the picture and everything. So I hope you have a wonderful Galentine's Day. I hope this becomes a real thing. I think it was made popular through Parks and Rec, that TV show, but I hope that the quilting community embraces this, because this is so much fun to show love to other quilters and other people in our lives, not just our Valentines. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I will see you real soon. Bye.